Good day, everyone. Chris with New Clean Carpet and Upholstery back at you with you already know, another one. And that's what we like to do, is to restore and clean carpets. But usually when we clean, we do restore. So, let's see here. What's that? All right. Vacuum, vacuum, vacuum. This carpet is like Velcro, really. It really hugs onto the hairs. But we got it all out, thanks to New Clean. Those stairs. Stairs is our pet peeve. If your stairs are slammed, we can get it to look like this or somewhere near it. But we definitely can get it cleaned. Okay, looks very good. Alright, that's Chris with New Clean. Thanks for watching. Get your carpets clean today. Give me a call.